Yo, what's up, 18? I'm back. Actually, I was just watching news dito sa YouTube kasi nag-aalala ko about sa typhoon and nakita ko, parang nirecommend siya ng YouTube sa akin. Then nakita ko SB19 sa e-trike. Actually, hindi ako nakasubscribe dito. So, hindi ako aware. Nakakapanood ako ng mga clips dito sa Facebook. So, meron din palang part ang SB19 dito and actually pinanood ko siya ng mga 20 to 30 seconds. Yung ini-interview ng babae, yung kung sino sila SB19 na how would you rate your basta eto live reaction video to gamit tong director's view camera ko. So dito lang sa phone to. So titignan natin, na-excite ako. So sabi ko, gawan ko nga ng reaction video to. Total na miss ko din naman ng SB19. Pero mind you I'm always listening sa mga kanta nila sa ano, ginagawa kong workout music ko yung mga kanta nila. So eto, let's go.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sobrang saya ko kanina.
$20. Do you want to do e-trike karaoke? How do you rank your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
A solid 1. 7.
If Pablo is 1, I'm gonna be 0.
Solid 1. A liquidated 2.
I was about to say that. For me, it's 0.5.
Okay, I have to
0.5.
change my answer. I will go. I will go negative 100.
I really liked Gassy 3. Okay. Tell us your names and where you're from.
Ayan, okay.
SB19 from the Philippines.
Yeah, dyan na ako nagtapos kanina. 41 seconds nga nung nagpakilala na sila na SB19 from the Philippines. So, sabi ko nag-decide ako, gawan ko na to ng reaction video. Total, matagal na rin ako hindi nagre-react. And again, lilinawin ko lang I'm still a fan. Number 1 fan ng SB19 dito sa South Korea. So, tuloy natin.
Yeah, I'm Pablo from the Philippines. Cavite represent. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Stel. I'm from Manila.
Manila.
Manila, Philippines.
Comedian pa rin talaga si Stel.
I'm from Valenzuela.
Hey, what's up? I'm Josh Cullen from the Philippines.
Paris, Bisaya.
Bisaya, eh.
What is your favorite song right now?
Always by Daniel Caesar. Right now, I really jam to Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga's Die With A Smile.
Yeah. Oh, I love that
Right
song.
now, my favorite song currently is Bughaw by Maki.
Welcome to the Black
Bughaw.
Parade.
Tour up, Don Toliver.
Oh, great song choices. Let's rock and roll.
What? What? Oh, wait lang. I have to be honest with you guys, hindi ko alam kung saan ang location ng e-trike lady na to. Kung I don't know, Pilipinas ba to or abroad? Basta nakapanood na ako once ng clip na real yata, basta may nag-share yung Bini ba yun? Pero hindi ako sure Pilipinas ba to or somewhere hindi ko alam. I'm sorry pero hindi ko talaga alam kung saan to ginaganap or saan itong location ng e-trike karaoke. Wow, ang cool nito pare. Ba't ngayon ko lang napanood? It was uploaded 4 days ago with 270k views. Tuloy natin. Of course, Estelle. Oh! Wait lang, Justin. Grabe yung improvement ni Justin pagdating sa vocal pare. And mind you nakaupo sila sa sobrang hirap kumanta and tumatakbo sila, umaandar I mean. So, napakalaki ng tendency or possibility na mag-flat or mag-sharp sila but they are, wow. Of course, SB19 yan pare ko. Ituloy natin. Nag-e-enjoy yung e-trike lady. Hey! Ah!
What's your guilty pleasure song?
Yun na yun?
So I think it's the same song that
Wait lang, ilang minutes pa to? So may natitira pang 2 minutes may get. So ano to? Second set or meron pa or yun na yun? Bro, ang cool nito. Okay, tuloy natin.
Just find myself singing that song. So
That's a good reason.
mine was Supernatural by Ariana, Out of My League by Stephen.
Meron pa. Okay.
2024 Playboy Cardi.
My guilty pleasure, I should have an answer prepared, but I don't. I don't know. It's probably
Ang
like
cute
something
din ng
from
babae,
Hannah
no?
Montana.
Maliit,
Oh my God,
pitit,
if
pitit.
you could do karaoke with anyone, who would it be?
Let them know. No, not me first.
That's a hard question.
Me, Michael Jackson, Bruno Mars.
Post Malone.
I like that one.
Post Malone, boy.
He's not alive anymore. Given a chance, I'll do it with Adele.
Ooh, good choice.
SB19.
Hmm. Wala na? Tapos na yan?
And do you want to dedicate your performance to anyone?
We want to dedicate it to our 18.
18! Ayun, meron pa. Wait nga lang. Where have you been? Ano ba to? E-Try Karaoke. Where have you been? Ba't ngayon? I'm not sure kung nakagawa na sila ng ibang segment or episode nito. Pero I'm not sure kung first time lang niya i-guest tong mga to. Bro, ang cool nito. Gawin mo lagi to, sis. Bro, I paid SB19 $20. So, America. So, saan sa America? Please comment down. Okay. Kasi hindi pa ako nakasubscribe, pare. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam. Oh, it's indeed live, baby. Ang astig talaga ni Ken, pare. Ang cute din ng babae, ano? Justin. Okay. I have to commend Justin. Grabe yung improvement mo sa... ay natatandaan ko na-commend na kita dati. Pero ngayon, pare, Justin, iba ngayon. Iba na yung improvement mo as in... wow, just wow. Okay. Ay!
What are you gonna spend
Oh, tapos na?
$20 on?
I'm gonna spend it
Ilan
on
na?
ice cream.
Tapos na.
Maybe an ice cream would treat ourselves an ice cream.
Oh, ayun oh, Beanie. Pero, ay, may 5 minutes din pala yung Beanie. Sa Facebook ko lang kasi napanood yan. Wow. Anyway, I loved it. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Ang galing. Ang galing ng ano. Wow. Wow, just wow. Hindi ko na-expect yon. I was just watching news about sa typhoon. Pero, you know, ang linaw, pare, yung kulay pink na, pink ba yan? Anong kulay yan? SB19, sabi niya, E-Track. What? And actually, di pa ako nakapag-subscribe dito sa E-Track Karaoke. So, mag-subscribe na ako because of SB19. And, okay. Bagong channel yata to, 14.4k subscribers pala siya. Okay. Oh, nag-react na rin palang yung magkapatid, si Wallace at saka si Efra. Okay. I'm too late. Super late. Pero, to be honest, ngayon ko lang kasi napanood to, nakita. So, sorry kung nalate ako. Pero, worth it. Kanina pa lang, nung nagpapakilala sila, sabi ko, okay, this is it. It's about time para mag-react ulit sa SB19. And na-miss ko naman din talaga magawa ng reaction video. And, whoo! This is a good night's sleep, baby. Thank you for watching. I hope mag-watch pa rin kayo kahit na matagal ako nawala. And I do still love SB19, of course naman. Once an 18, always an 18. Good night. I love you guys.